Vulnerability is one of those misused words right now, and it's very in fashion, and people have it for the wrong way. They think, oh, if I'm going to be a leader, and you'll go on any social media and look up leadership, you're going to find a reel or something that's like, hey, if you want to be a successful leader, you need to be vulnerable. And they misinterpret that and go, guys, I'm really insecure about this, and I'm concerned about my weight, and my marriage isn't going well, or whatever it is. That's not the kind of vulnerability that's going to help you in life. Sorry, life is hard. Everybody has challenges. You being a victim is not the same as you. My definition of where vulnerability is important as a leader, is important as an entrepreneur, is important as a salesperson, is you need to be comfortable with the fact that you are not going to get everything you want in life. Sometimes things aren't going to work out. But my definition as a leader and as a sales coach in vulnerability is you need to be calm and confident enough to realize when a situation is not going well, and you need to be crystal clear in communicating to them, hey, I do not want this to happen, right? This is not the outcome. I see that we're heading down this road. Based on everything that you're telling me, my interpretation of the situation is this. And we're heading down a road that I cannot have this have. I can't go down this road. But I want to let you know ahead of time that I understand that this is where this is headed. I want to correct this, but you need to also know this. Although I don't want that to happen, if it does, the consequences are X, Y, and Z. And that's the vulnerability that I think most people don't have in their personal lives. It's like, you'll have friends that, man, they just keep wanting me to go out and get drunk with them, or this or that, and they're trying to, and we don't have the guts or the vulnerability to say, hey, I still want to be your friend, but I cannot be drinking with you until 2:00 in the morning on a Tuesday anymore. And if you're not okay with that, that's okay too. But here's where my line is, right? We have to be vulnerable enough to say, I'm not going to win everything, but I'm also not going to force it as well.